demonstration of the system where we'll see how we get connected from this, using the stick, how we can basically browse the patient database with the patient browser that Andrew introduced earlier on. Then we'll see the CaseReasoner, and I guess I will let Alexis say a few words on the visualization techniques. And eventually we'll show you another application coming from INRIA that you will not get in this first training, that you will get later on, but that will give you an idea of the overall thing. Alright, so usually what would happen when you plug the stick in your computer, you would have a message popping up asking whether you want to start the healthy chart application. Here we will not see it because it's a special computer. Okay? So I will start it from the stick directly. If in case one day it doesn't start, you can open your file browser as you would do on your computer. Go to the stick and double click on start.bat, which is the starting point of the official application. So this is the authentication application we saw earlier on, which has been already initialized. So the two first steps I don't have to redo. I just have to provide my passphrase, my 10 characters password. Okay. Once this is done, the authentication process starts. So basically your computer is interacting with the access point within the hospital. And then you have to provide your PIN code. Oops, sorry. So I've provided my 4-digit PIN code, and I'm replicating what I see on the screen for the two last ones. And I have only 3 attempts to do so. If you fail entering the right PIN code, you will be blacklisted by the system, and we will receive a message from the system saying that this particular user is now blacklisted. In case of such a problem, we will get in touch with you and unblock you such that you can connect again. Alright. So, once this is finalized, you are connected to the system. There is a fourth part that I will not explain today, which is additional connectivity that you obtain once you are authenticated, which is for the moment not important. We will explain it later. So once this is done, as I said, the application goes to your sys tray here. So it is telling you that you can find it now there. And if I right-click on the icon, I will get the list of applications available in the system. There are applications that do not concern you, which are My VLS session is something you will have later on. The grid management, you will not be interested, and the raw management and key management are things that you should not bother about. Actually, we could remove them from the system. What you're interested in is data management, for instance, where you can do patient browsing. So basically, you can browse the content of the system. So this is because the fourth step of the former application was not completed, so it's not a big problem.